I'm gonna pound ya!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
You're not full Ralph! What? I don't know.
You have done well, nincompoops. You may now use Rolf's machine.
Dorks! Dorks! Get away from me, dorks! Go away, dorks! In your dreams! Not bad for a bunch of dorks! Losers!
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Whoa! That was a sweet jump!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me! Get it out!
Dorks! Weird.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Get it out!
It's the sticky notes of the apocalypse! If my surveying skills are correct, that manhole cover should lead straight to Jimmy's backyard. It's about time! Run, fellows!
I can hear dorks, but I can't see dorks! Come on out and show yourself! Dorks!